Hey note-taking nerds, today we're diving into Logseq, Workflowy, and Notion, three powerhouse tools for organizing your thoughts. Let's break them down, compare, and find the best fit for you. Buckle up, this will be quick. First, we have Logseq. It's an open-source, privacy-focused outliner for knowledge management. Think daily journals, bidirectional links, and markdown files stored locally. Perfect for network thinking, task management, and those who love plain text flexibility, but it's got a learning curve and limited mobile features. Next, we have Workflowy. This is simplicity at its finest, a minimalist note-taking app built around infinitely nestable lists. It's silky smooth, syncs fast, and supports tags and searches. Great for quick notes and outlines, but lacks advanced features like databases or rich media. Finally, we have Notion, the all-in-one workspace king. It's got blocks for text, images, and to-dos, plus powerful databases, Kanban boards, and templates. It's ideal for project management and team collaboration. The downsides? It's feature-heavy, so expect a steeper learning curve. Now let's compare. Logseq shines for networked thoughts and privacy, best for solo thinkers who love linking ideas. Workflowy is your go-to for straightforward list-based organization, perfect for minimalists, and Notion. It's the Swiss Army knife, excelling in team projects and structured data, but can feel overwhelming. Check this chart. Logseq's great for knowledge graphs, Workflowy for simplicity, and Notion for versatility. Choose based on your needs. Deep thinking, quick lists, or all-in-one power. That's it, guys. Pick your tool and get organized. Like and subscribe for more productivity tips, and I'll see you in the next video.